welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love. Today we're going to make gluten-free oatmeal cranberry white chocolate chip cookies. I'm using Bob's Red Mill gluten-free flour and a little bit of xanthan gum to help bind it together. We're also using Trader Joe's certified gluten-free oats, and we are going to put cranberries and white chocolate chips, and this is going to be absolutely delicious. So let me get my mise en place together and I will show you how to make it.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes.
This is our 1 cup of canola oil. We're just going to put it into our stand mixer with the paddle attachment. You can do this by hand too, but I just prefer to do it on the machine. And we're going to add to it our 1/2 cup of sugar plus 2 tablespoons. And 3/4 cup of light brown sugar. I love the flavor of light brown sugar. There we go. We're just going to mix this on low speed. And you can see it's all mixed in very well. And now we're going to add to it our 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Here's our 2 2/3 cups of the gluten-free flour. To this, we're going to add our 1 tablespoon of baking powder, our 1 teaspoon of salt, the 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum, which helps bind it together. And we just want to stir this all together to make sure everything is dispersed evenly throughout the flour. That's all mixed together. Now we're going to add in our 2 eggs. I just like to add it in one at a time so it mixes in very well first. And make sure you scrape down the sides of the bowl and the paddle attachment while you're mixing, because you want to make sure everything gets mixed in very, very well. And now we'll add in the rest of the eggs. We're going to rehydrate our cranberries by putting them in a measuring cup, and I covered it with water. And I'm going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and then I can strain it. I'm just going to strain off the water from our rehydrated cranberries. Now they're nice and plump, and I'll just let it stand there and drain. And if it's still too moist, I'll just blot it dry with a paper towel. Now I'm going to add in all of our dry ingredients. And again, we want to mix it on low speed. Now, once you see it's mixed together like this, like halfway mixed through of the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients, I want to add in our oats. Now, once you add in the oats, you see how nice and big they are? We don't want to over mix it because that'll break up the oats and they'll get into smaller, tiny pieces. So again, we're just going to mix it on low speed halfway through. And now we're going to add in our rehydrated 1.5 cups of cranberries. I'm going to mix it on low, halfway. And now we're going to add in our 1.5 cups of white chocolate chips. And mix just until combined. See, it'll come together very quickly. And that's it. You can scoop all your cookie dough with an ice cream scoop and put them on a sheet pan, and then when you're ready to bake, just take them out as you need. Here they are, fresh out of the oven with a nice golden brown color. Our beautiful oatmeal cranberry white chocolate chip cookies that are gluten-free, and they're absolutely delicious. My students already ate them all. I had to fight them off, goodness, but they loved them. So I hope this inspires you to make them at home. Please check out all of the recipes on the YouTube channel. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.